Why do you sneeze? What makes you sneeze? Dr. Oz did a segment called Ask Dr. Oz. Why does my body do that? Dr. Oz answered all kinds of sensitive and even awkward questions about our bodies, from why do my feet tingle after exercise, to why do we sneeze, to why do I pee at night, to why does pregnancy make your feet grow? Why do I sneeze after exercise? Dr. Oz was asked by a lady in his audience about her excessive sneezing problem. She said that whenever she has vigorous exercise, she always sneezes a lot. Dr. Oz said that sneezing is a natural reflex that happens when you irritate the lining of your nose. Dr. Oz showed an animation to explain what makes us sneeze. As you inhale particles, there is a nerve that feeds impulses to your brain stem, which in turn sends a message to your diaphragm, which causes you to sneeze all of a sudden. When you sneeze, it travels at around 100 miles per hour, and Dr. Oz said that there really is not much you can do to prevent sneezing. People will sneeze when they exercise, sometimes because you hyperventilate when you work out, which can irritate the sensitive mechanism and turns on your diaphragm, causing you to sneeze. Light makes you sneeze. Dr. Oz also said that some people will sneeze when they are exposed to light. If this happens to you, please leave a comment below and share what triggers you to sneeze. Dr. Oz, stomach sneeze reflex. Do you sneeze when you are full? Dr. Oz was asked by Marianne, a woman in his audience, why she sneezes a few times in a row whenever her stomach is full or when she has a large meal. You will be shocked by Dr. Oz's answer on the next few seconds. Dr. Oz said that some people, very few, have a stomach sneeze reflex. Your stomach has autopilot nerves that tell your brain when it is close to full, and these nerves are very close to your sneeze nerves. In only 2 families have scientists seen where these nerves cross on, so people sneeze when they are full. Very interesting. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel.